Dr. Deuk with one of my patients who just underwent the Deuk laser disc repair yesterday, right?
Yes.
And you're here less than 24 hours later?
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
Yeah?
Yes.
So what were you expecting to feel after the surgery?
What was I expecting to feel? I actually expected to feel a lot of pain and discomfort. But I had the best night's sleep I've ever had, I think, in a long time.
Congratulations, good. And you came here with back pain, and you had symptoms down your leg as well, right?
Yes.
And what was the right leg?
It was the right leg.
Tell us about your back pain. Tell us about your leg pain.
So I've had consistent back pain for over 2 years now, off and on for 15 years. But this pain turned into pain shooting down my right leg to my foot. And so when I would do much walking, I would find myself cramped up and having to pause and kind of stretch it out because of pain going down my leg. So I've had trouble sleeping because I can't get comfortable at night. So then Dr. Deuk came along and fixed me right up.
Good. And we did the laser surgery yesterday.
Yes.
And now the pain you had before surgery in your back, do you still have it?
No.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
Cured.
It's gone.
All right, great. And the pain down your leg you had before surgery, do you still have that?
I do not.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Awesome.
Yes.
And you had tried some other things before surgery. You tried shots, rhizotomies, SI joint, facets.
Yes.
And did they help you?
They only gave me relief for a few days, the RFAs.
Temporary.
And I've been doing physical therapy for many months, so that hasn't helped. I've also had massage therapy, so nothing has really helped. So.
Yeah. And I'm sure you tried medications, and medications
Yes.
probably didn't work for you
Yes.
either. Okay. Well,
temporary relief.
Temporary relief. So now your pain's gone, your life is going to change. You have to take it easy for a while until the disc heals. It takes a while to heal. Mm-hmm. But what are your plans now, now that your back pain is gone and your leg pain is gone?
My plans now are, after I heal, I'm very outdoorsy, and I love to kayak and bicycle and walk, and I have a 14-year-old son, so I can do all the things with him that I did with my older children. So I'm looking forward to that.
Awesome. Anything else you want to say to our viewers before we wrap this up?
Yes, if you have lower back issues, please come see this man right here. He will help you. Don't suffer like I did. So.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
You had faith and you acted on it, and here you are and you're out of pain.
Exactly.
I'm happy for you.
Exactly.